Welcome, everyone. It's the first of the 2021 free tabletop food workshops that we're doing. Got a surprise for you. The next workshop we do will be portraits. So I don't know how that fits into the tabletop food and product workshops, but hey, my workshops, I can do what I want. Portraits next time. So anyway, let's get into what we do. This is how you do the workshop. There's an older video saying how to do the workshop, but a little bit of changes. So we're going to do a new one here. Everything's pretty much the same. This is the workshop page over at Lighting Essentials, lighting-essentials.com. If you're not familiar with the site, I put a lot of stuff up there. There's about 11 years worth of stuff up there. Splish Splash, our liquid workshop started Saturday. Take me to the splash class. Let me go to the splash class. Here it is. The splash class. Where are the assignments, I hear? Well, they're down here. Here's your assignments. Number one, you'll see the little red line that indicates it's live. These are not live yet. There's your password, wet photos. Your password's up here too, wet photos. That is case sensitive, capital W, capital P. The webinar reviews, because we've had so many people sign up, I've had about 30 people sign up for this class in the last 2 days, 30 additional people. So that's exciting for me. We've opened up a second webinar. So you'll make a decision where you want to go. Please do that first and put your pictures in. Your pictures are due before the class. So if you can get your picture in at 9 o'clock on Saturday morning, that's fine. But no, we will not go back to look at people who are putting stuff up during the review. We do not have time to do that. It just slows the whole process down. So once the review starts, that's where it is. If you didn't get your picture in, move it over to the Monday or the Tuesday group and we'll review it then. Okay. What do we put up? We put up 2 pictures. The photograph you did and your setup. Do an iPhone shot, an Android phone shot, any kind of camera shot of what you did, where your lights were, all the stuff. We want to see what you did. Can't critique the shot if I don't see what you did. It helps. So both shots, the final shot and the setup shot. And you can see that in all the reviews. There's tons of reviews to be seen up there. And I'll show you where they are here over at the Facebook page. So if you're not in the Facebook page, you got to get into the Facebook page. You click there, it will tell me that somebody wants in and I will get you approved ASAP. I mean, sometimes I'm on the road and I can't do it like within the few minutes, but I can get it done pretty quickly. So that's the deal. All right. Here's our reviews, but these are only the Saturday classes. I have to add the Tuesday classes to it. And now what happens? Well, where do you put your pictures? I can hear people saying, where do I put my pictures, Don? Well, here's where you put your pictures. At the Facebook page, you go to media, click on media, and you go to albums, click on albums, and here's the 2 albums. Here's the Saturday group, and here's the Tuesday group. So make a choice which one you're going to be in. I'm going to be in the Saturday. Click there, put your pictures in the Saturday folder. Then when we get there on Saturday, we can start to review them right off the bat. Okay, so this is where we are now. Saturday and Tuesday. It's the Tuesday following each Saturday, not tomorrow, the Tuesday following. So next Saturday is our first review. The following Tuesday, still assignment 1, first Tuesday review. And that's it. I hope you have a great time. Make sure you got your cameras protected from splashes with plastic, etc. Make sure your soft boxes have plastic covering over them if you're dropping and splashing and stuff. Our first shot is a sloppy pour, not a perfect beer pour. A perfect beer pour, that's a different kind of animal. We want the beer sloshing. We want the wine flying out. We want the water dripping over the hands. We want to see something very dynamic. So watch the assignments. We'll go down and get into the very first assignment so I can show you how much stuff there is. A messy pour shot. So there's where we go. Do, 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 do. See what I'm saying? Messy, messy. So we've got some lighting stuff there for you. We've got some videos here for you, some ideas for you. You can see a review of images here. You can come down and see a review of the, well, a lot of things. Here's a previous class gallery and review. So if you want to know what other people did, come on down in here. Watch the review. You'll learn a lot from this review. These are not nearly an hour and hour and a half or 2 hours long, but you'll learn a lot. Look at these wonderful photographs other people have done. So that's the class in a nutshell. If you have any questions, ask them up on the Facebook page. You'll find it's a wonderful, terrific community full of people ready and willing to help you through your journey. And I am a oftentimes participatory person there. It's not just set up and I walk away. I set it up and I'm there. So everybody have a great one. We'll see you next time in the Splash class. Take care now.